This could be the car for you. The 2017 Buick Cascada. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Punch it up. Get into the Cascada for a spirited, agile drive and technology that keeps you connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, fog lamps, keyless start, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control. Feel the pleasure of the drive in the Cascada. Take it for a spin today.